Morning at home. Jason, Jason, wake up. Come on, open your eyes. Good morning.
Good morning. What time is it?
It's already 7 o'clock. Look at the clock. It's 7 a.m.
Oh no, already? I'm so tired. I want to sleep more.
No, Jason, you must get up now. You don't have time to sleep.
Please, just 5 more minutes. Only 5 minutes.
No, if you sleep more, you will be late.
Late? Late for what?
Late for work, of course. Do you remember? You have work today.
Oh no, you're right. I forgot about work.
Yes, you forgot. That's why I'm waking you up. Now hurry, get out of bed.
Okay, I'm getting up now. Please don't shout.
I'm not shouting. I'm helping you. Sit up first.
All right. Wow, my head feels heavy. I'm still very sleepy.
Did you brush your teeth yet?
No, not yet. I can't even think. I'm still half asleep.
That's not good. Go to the bathroom now. Brush your teeth and wake up.
Okay. I'm going to the bathroom.
And don't forget to wash your face.
Yes. I will wash my face with cold water. Okay, I'm back. I feel a little better now.
Good. Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I do. I'm very hungry this morning.
I thought so. I made eggs and bread for you.
Really? That sounds great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Sit down and eat.
The eggs smell good. This is delicious.
Eat quickly. Your tea is getting cold.
Oh, you're right. Okay, I'll drink it now.
So, do you feel awake now?
A little bit, but not completely.
Why not?
I think I need coffee too. Coffee makes me feel strong and awake.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee is different. Coffee gives me energy.
You are funny. You really love coffee.
Yes, I do. Coffee is my best friend in the morning.